Mercedes-Benz has managed to earn a reputation as one of the highest quality and most popular car manufacturers in the world. It is one of the top 3 titans of Germany and regularly updates its lineup with interesting new models. Over its existence, the company has developed dozens of engines with various modifications and technical characteristics. If we were talking about the late 20th century, it could be said unequivocally that the power units produced by Daimler-Benz were the most reliable and indestructible engines, surpassing all their competitors in this parameter, even if they were not at the cutting edge of technological progress. Certain releases are distinguished by incredible durability and build quality. Advanced technologies and components are used in their production, but which Mercedes-Benz engines embody the best engineering achievements in engine manufacturing? Let's find out. In terms of reliability, diesel engines surpass their gasoline counterparts. If a few decades ago it was hard to imagine a sports car with such an engine, today the concept looks completely different. Current models of diesel engines are designed for high-speed driving and extreme operating conditions. At the same time, they have a simple design and improved strength properties. For example, the OM602 diesel engine line from Mercedes-Benz is in high demand among car enthusiasts. It includes 5-cylinder units with 2 valves per cylinder and a mechanical fuel injection pump manufactured by Bosch. The series confidently holds the leading position in the ranking of the most durable and reliable engines adapted to increased loads. The model was produced from 1985 to 2002, and over nearly 20 years, it has earned the trust of hundreds of customers worldwide. The power reserve ranges from 90 to 130 horsepower, as the main priority was placed on economy and reliability. The engine can be found in Mercedes-Benz cars with bodies W124, W200, and some G-Class SUVs. The unit was also installed in T1 and Sprinter vans, and more recent W210 models. The average mileage is 500,000 kilometers without serious breakdowns. Record figures reach 1.5 to 2 million kilometers of mileage. If you properly maintain the main components and replace consumable parts, the unit will never let you down. The Mercedes 2.2 CDI OM611 and OM646 are another set of durable engines from the German auto giant, available with different numbers of cylinders, 4, 5, and 6. The most popular models are the OM611 and OM646 with direct common rail injection. The modifications are almost identical, differing only in the configuration of the fuel system and auxiliary equipment. In various sources and on thematic forums, the engines are referred to as 2.1 or 2.2 CDI. The actual displacement of the units is just under 2150 cubic centimeters. According to customer reviews, the Mercedes 2.2 CDI engines have no negative aspects. The fuel system has a long service life, the turbines work reliably, and the double-row timing chain can operate for up to 310,000 miles. The OM617 is a popular engine produced by Mercedes-Benz, featuring 5 cylinders and indirect fuel injection technology from Daimler-Benz. The first versions of these engines were introduced to the public in 1974 as a replacement for the 4-cylinder OM616 model. Independent experts and car enthusiasts classify this engine as a million-mile engine, as some versions have exceeded 621,000 miles. Due to this feature, the engine was incredibly popular in the USA in the 1980s. Initially, the turbocharged version was used in S-Class and mid-range cars. Daimler-Benz aimed to maintain fuel efficiency as mandated by American government standards. The 1974 OM617 model has a displacement of 3,005 cubic centimeters and a power output of 80 horsepower. The torque is 172 nanometers. The Turbo OM617A model from 1982 has a displacement of 2998 cubic centimeters and a power output of 125 horsepower with a torque of 250 nanometers. In 2008, the Mercedes-Benz engine lineup was expanded with the diesel model OM651, featuring 4 cylinders, 16 valves, and a common rail fuel injection system. The unit can be either turbocharged or biturbocharged. Initially, the engine had a displacement of 2.2 liters, but since 2011, a 1.8-liter version has been available. Both diesel engines have the same cylinder diameter, but the smaller one has a shorter piston stroke of 84 mm instead of 99 mm. The power output is 204 horsepower. The engine was used in C-Class 250 CDI cars, featuring a twin turbocharger and Delphi piezoelectric injectors. This configuration appeared in later modifications, and the 170 horsepower version of the OM651. It is used as a replacement for a wide range of outdated engines. The 4-cylinder diesel engine OM626 from Mercedes-Benz has a displacement of 1.6 liters, direct common rail fuel injection, piezoelectric injectors, and 4 valves per cylinder. This model also features a twin turbocharger and an intercooler. The cylinder block is made of cast iron, while the cylinder heads are made of aluminum. The model is designed for vehicles with a longitudinal engine configuration. Exhaust gases are sent to a particulate filter, go through a cooling cycle, and then return to the compressor. Subsequent processing stages are carried out using a selective catalytic reduction system. Due to these features, the engine complies with the Euro 6 environmental standard. The maximum torque of the engine is 320 nanometers. The average fuel consumption is 4.2 liters per 62 miles. In the Russian market, gasoline engines are more widespread than diesel ones. This is due to the fact that the fuel does not freeze during the cold period, and the engine design is simpler. The leading position in the ranking is occupied by the 4-cylinder gasoline engine M271 with a displacement of 1.8 liters. It was produced for 8 years in the early 21st century in Germany. The previous model was known for its maximum reliability and durability, so the manufacturer decided to maintain the old traditions and integrated its best developments into the M271 release. The series is equipped with aluminum cylinder blocks with cast iron liners, adjustable gas distribution phases, a double camshaft, and a double ventilation system. The engine is equipped with a special vibration absorption mechanism with an integrated oil pump. The average fuel consumption is 7 liters per 62 miles. The service life reaches 350,000 kilometers. The disadvantages of the model include increased noise and the common problem of timing chain stretching, typical for all engines of the concern. The next engine in the ranking is the popular M166E, which was highly popular in the late 90s. It was installed in A-Class cars. The 1.6-liter unit with a power output of 102 horsepower performed its tasks excellently, including transporting loads weighing up to 1 ton. The unit itself weighed just under 100 kilograms, with a fuel consumption of no more than 10 liters of gasoline per 62 miles at speeds up to 113 miles per hour. Russian motorists loved the engine for its stable performance in all weather and climatic conditions. Even during winter operation, it performed its functions efficiently without preheating or other complications. The service life of the model reaches several 100,000 kilometers, provided that the car owner regularly maintains it, changing the timing belt every 62,000 miles. The presentation of the M112E32 engine took place in 1997 when it was introduced as the successor to the outdated E32 release from the M104 series. The model featured a V-shaped configuration and a 90-degree angle. The use of an unconventional cylinder arrangement reduced the size of the power unit for maximum unification of 6 and 8-cylinder versions. To reduce the weight of the engine, the developers replaced the cast iron cylinder block with an aluminum alloy set. Each liner is made of cylinders element. To reduce inertia, a balance shaft was installed in the engine block. The reliability of the Mercedes-Benz engine has been proven by the experience of thousands of car owners. Which engine is missing from this list? Write in the comments below this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to not miss interesting videos.